Wonder what is this right here? What is this app? Let me push this button right here. Wow. Oh, let me do that again. Wow, I just got how much? This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $1,000 per day using this one app on your phone. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please do me a favor, y'all. Smash that like button and drop a comment down below and tell me what country you guys are from. Because when I do my research on money making opportunities, I want to make sure your country is covered. So please drop a comment down below of what country you're from. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Now, I don't want to waste any more time. Let me jump right into this. Please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to offer you guys. And I don't want you to skip anything, because there are steps you need to take to make up to $1,000. So please watch this all the way to the very end. Do not skip anything at all, because if you want to make this $1,000 per day, you have to watch the whole video. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my phone and show you how you can make up to $1,000 per day with this one app on your phone. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm in the App Store. I'm in the Apple App Store, and I'm at this app. It's called Daily Raffle app. And so as you can see, this is going to be a raffle app that you're going to use to make money. All right, let's just read a little bit about it. So it says here, daily prizes up to $1,000. Daily Raffle is a risk-free app with a daily prize starting from $100 up to $1,000. This is not like any other game. The chances to win are very high. Each ticket consists of 6 numbers between 1 and 9. To win, your numbers should match. To win, your numbers should match at least 4. So you only need is 4 matches of the tickets shown in the results at the end of each day. Daily Raffle is free and does not require any in-app purchases, so you don't have to pay any money. You can transfer the money to your PayPal account or Bitcoin wallet. The winning ticket, now here's the kicker right now. The winning ticket is randomly generated before the draw starts. Its hash will be shown in the results page. Now I'm going to show you later on what this hash is. At the end of the day, the winner ticket will be revealed with the key that was used to hash it. You can verify the integrity of the result by using the numbers of the ticket and hash it with the key given at the end using HMAC CHA 512 algorithm. And I'll show you in a little bit what that means also. So let's look at something else right quick. Let's look at this right quick. Look at some screenshots. So it says play for free with a daily prize up to $1,000. Collect as many tickets as you can for free. Match the first 4 numbers in the same order to win. Daily draw at 1900 Greenwich mean time. So You know, with Central Time, it'll be a different time, or Eastern Time, or whatever time zone you're on. And daily hints about winning numbers. So they give you daily hints. Get 6 numbers in the same order to win 500. So they give you a lot of chances to win this and give you all type of ways to win this money. All right, let's just look at some reviews right quick. As you can see, it's 5 out of 5 stars. Now this app is pretty new, so it's not that many reviews, but so far so good. So right here it says easy money for free. Easy money with just a click. It's like playing the lotto, but for free. Even tickets are obtained by only watching an ad. Now, yes, an ad you got to watch. No money, no hassle. We are much in need of such apps nowadays. Hats off to the smart person behind this application. Keep them coming. And here's one that says, love the idea so much, who doesn't want free money? And right here it says, love this app and its easy to use features. Very good idea, I'm in. So we got a lot of people that really love this app. Now, I went ahead and download this app because I want to show you inside the app, and so you can get a better idea. So I'm going to show you that on the next screen. Okay, now I'm inside the app. And as you can see here, I went ahead and got 1 ticket. And right here, 33 draw. Now, it's going to be another draw in 23 hours. So, it's like 1 draw a day. And the prize is 500. And get a ticket. You just click here to get a ticket. And right here it says add a ticket. Let's see here. You have to just pick a number, pick some numbers right here. So I'll just pick some random numbers right quick. Then you click right here where it says add a ticket. So now you got a ticket. So that's how that works. So right at the top here, I don't know if you can see it, it says 2 tickets. The balance is 0 because I haven't did any drawing yet. So there's my ticket up there at the top. And here's some results so you can get an understanding of how this works. So right here was a prize winner of 500, and you had 21 winners. So it's not no one winner, one person can win like these lottos. So right here for 500 is 4 winners. This one had 2 winners. This one had 11 winners. And they do have some drawings where it's up to 1,000. And sometimes they have 2 drawings in a day. So yeah, that's how you can win up to $1,000. Now earlier I read where it says something about a hash. So right here where it's going to say show hash, see that's the hash, that number right there. What we're going to use that long number to verify if this is legit, if this drawing is legit. So what I'm going to do is go to the next screen and show you the way we can verify if this is real, if this is legit. So, but let me show you something right quick before I go into that. Here are the winners. Now you have some winners that won some, low cash. Yeah, one has won $8, has won $50, $50. There's another one, $50. But it's been like multiple drawings in a day sometimes. So when you win those, when you draw with those big $500 drawings, you can get up to $500. And as far as referral, this is the referral page. And I'm going to put my referral down in the link below. in my description, so you can because it's like you can get invited and you'll get tickets once if you use my referral code. All right, so let me go and show you about this hash, and we're going to show you how to verify if this lotto drawing is legit. So I'm gonna go to the last screen. Okay, now I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called freeformatter.com, and as you can see, here's the generator testing tool you can use to verify if this raffle is legit. And you know, so you won't think that this app is just using you to just use their app and you're not winning any money. So you're just constantly on there doing it and you're not winning no money, so it just wants you to stay on there and do it. But it's going to let you know if this is legit. So when you go here, you're going to take that long number that says hash, which I'm showing to you right here on the screen. So you show that number, you get that number, and you go here and you copy and paste the long string of number here. So I went ahead and copied it. So let me paste it. So there's the number right there. And then also you have to get a key. So it was also a key that you can click on there, and I'm gonna show that on the screen also. When you click that little button, you're gonna see key. You get that number, you put that right there where it says secret key, and you click where it says compute, HAHMAC, and then what it does is let you know if everything is legit, and if this long hash number has an error or whatever, then if it has an error, then they'll let you know that this is not legit raffle or not a legit hash number. So I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but I mean, if you want to really figure out if this is legit, if this is a legit app, you just come to this site here and it'll show you if it is legit. And from my testing this out, it shows it's legit. So again, if you like this app and want to start making some money, just download it at the App Store, Daily Raffle, or you can download it on Google Play store, and it's also Daily Raffle there. All right, so now you know the one app you can start using right now on your phone that will allow you to win up to $1,000 per day. So go ahead and download that app. Get those tickets. Get more tickets by referring this app to friends, and then start getting this money. All right. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. If you guys can just check in the description below, scroll all the way down where it says free giveaways. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to a site where you can get 3 free gifts. But you have to be subscribed to this channel. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Go in the description below, click on that link. And when you get to that website, go ahead and download those 3 free gifts. That's from me to you. Also, I have some other cool stuff in the description below. If you're having trouble getting views and subscribers to your YouTube channel, there's a link for that in the description below. And lastly, if you want to make some money on autopilot, click on the link where it says my #1 recommended site to make money on autopilot. Click on that link too. All right, that's all I have for this video. Thanks again. Before you leave, do this for me. Hit that like button And let's get 30 likes, guys, because the more likes I get, the more this video be seen on YouTube by more potential viewers. And you know, those viewers can turn into subscribers, because I'm trying to get to my next milestone, which is 2,000 subscribers. Now, you subscribers out there, if you was on the journey with me all the way to 1,000, you know I gave away some money when I got to 1,000 subscribers. Well, I'm gonna give away some more money when I get to 2,000 subscribers. So help me by hitting that like button, and let's get 30 likes. Also, drop a comment down below. Like I said earlier, put down where the country you're from, so I can make sure that that country is included when I do my money making online research. And please share this on internet everywhere, and every social media network you're on, share it there, please, because I want to help everybody I can to make money online. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Thanks again, guys, for your support. Before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace. Now go watch some more of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out of here.